Hi guys, so today we're going to bleed the brake fluid and then I'm going to put the spacer now. I finished the rear one. Last time was broke the nut, now I get new one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This one will be the last video I'll make, not sure. So enjoy the video. I'm taking this one out. I'm going to replace it. This one. Okay, so this was for the diff. So I need to take the whole thing out. What size it is? So 650. But 50 is too big. Let me try it then. If this one's not coming out, you can replace that one. So I'm taking the front tires. Okay, we're going to put brake fluid. First I'm going to fill this one. Okay, it's full. So let me bring the tool. Then I'm going to put 1.5. I think last time I showed you the tool what I'm using. This one it is. So let me do that. Alright. So I'm going to put the fluid. So maybe I'm going to put all of it to be safe. I don't want to do it again. So I'm going to do it 3 of them. There's anything inside the fluid box and then new calipers, so I'm going to put all of it to be safe way. I believe it's enough. I think it's enough. It's too much too. So I need to figure out what size it is. Take this one off. I don't want to damage my paint, so let me find something else. So I found one thing at least. This one fits here. Yep. Okay, we're going to not damage anything. I was pumping it, so let me try this way. No, so I just open it, the whole thing, otherwise the fluid's not coming out. There's no high pressure. Okay, driver's side. It does have air. But the oil's clean. So guys, I'm going to start the car and I'm going to pump it. Maybe I don't know how much you're going to know. Oh, the battery was dead. Ouch. Okay. It's going. So I think there's air inside it. So I only pump it more. And then the calipers works. So if you can see. So there's the air. It's not going back, it's going slow. So let me fix that and then I'll be back. I'm going to turn off the ABS lights on. So I'm going to turn down off. So let me pump this and then I'm going to turn the car off and then I'm going to take the air out again. So guys, the brake fluid's leaking from this one, so I need to take it off and then more tighten on. Let me see that and then I'll be back. Only over here, fish. All sides good, only this side, so I'll fix this one. Alrighty guys, I just split the brake fluid. I just tried to pump it and then hold it by hood holder by this one, but this one works, but if you have other person be perfect, but I try my best to make it perfect. So maybe if I have someone here, I'll do it again, the brake line. So now I'm going to put it back. The leak, I fixed it on the passenger side. I just screw it more. So guys, I'm going to test it. I don't need to update. So I need to update. I never used it. So I'll be back, I guess. Scanning the VIN number. So here it is. So software, fuel pump, so battery. Okay, some of them the battery was dead because I was not here. So let's just clear that part. Let me take a picture of this one. I don't want to forget it. Okay, so let us start the car. Let's see. Okay, so now ABS lights on. That's good news. I will turn off it. Okay, so let us test it on the driveway first before we go anywhere. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going on the back and the forward. Let us see. We never drive this car, so just like that. Let's see. There is air in the brake line. I can fit it. Alrighty guys, the passenger side is leaking so badly. Okay guys, so the brake line was blown up because of there is a rust on it, so we need to replace that one. This is under here, which is next the fuel. If you can see that one. So yeah, you can see that one. So over there, blown up. Then leak it. I was feeling that. I was looking for. I thought it is my brake line, the new lines, but it's not. So I had to buy this one. So yeah, it is good to know before I go on the road, not blowing. Try first in your home or in your driveway or in your area. Don't go far away. So I need to replace that. So you can take it from here. If this one can go loose from here, and then you don't need to replace the whole thing. You could do that. It is down here. The rest is down here. So I'm going to take it from here and there. So I'm going to order it right now. So I think the rest of it is good. I think. So I'm going to inspect everything, and then I'm going to see. Okay guys, so it's leaking from here. There's a rest down here, so that's the main in. So for the front one, that is 14 millimeter, and then 11 millimeter for this. For this one for the brake tools. So this one is like this, and then for the rear one, it is 15 millimeter for this one, and then there's 30 millimeter. So that's this. So I need to order this one. If I get aluminum, it'll be easier. So I need to order, and then we don't need to wait more. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to order OEM or aftermarket. We're going to see that. Okay. So see you next time again.